Hi! In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the Planned Activities section of the Activities feature. That will include what you can see from the Planned Activities page, how to add to it from the Tapestry Activity Catalogue and the Our Activities collection sections, and how you can create a brand new activity to send out. This is the section where you will assign activities you've planned to specific children and make them available for relatives to see if you'd like. To find the Activities feature, you need to log into the browser version of Tapestry and look to the top of the page in the menu bar. Once you've clicked on it, you'll need to go to the Planned Activities section. From there, you'll be able to see a list of the activities that have already been added. There are a few things you might notice here. First, you may see the different colours around the thumbnail images. These indicate the status of the activity. Orange means it's a draft, so still a work in progress. Blue means it's finished but only visible to staff, or scheduled, which means it's finished and only visible to staff right now, but will become visible to relatives on the date and time shown below the title. And plain white means staff and relatives can see it already. The second thing might be whether it's linked to a single child or multiple children. That's shown by the linked children's names at the bottom of each tile. And third, these little icons. They indicate links to other activities, observations, and reflections. You can view any of the activities here in full by clicking on them. You'll also be able to see a little bit more about any linked pages. That can be really useful if you've set an activity a little while ago and want to see how each of the children got on. If you want to set a new planned activity based on one you already have in your collection or in the Tapestry Activity Catalogue, you just need to find it in the appropriate section and click on the blue button next to it saying, "Use this in a planned activity." You can do that from within the activity too, from the very bottom of the page. Once you've clicked on the button, you'll be taken to a copy of that activity. From here, you can assign the children that you want to set it for and make any other tweaks that you want. By default, all newly saved activities are given the status of draft, so if you'd like it to be one of the others, you'll need to change that too. Once you're happy, press save. Now you'll be able to see that in your list of planned activities. If you'd like to create a brand new activity, one that isn't already saved in either of your other sections, you can do that from the Planned Activities homepage by clicking on the blue Plan an Activity button. That takes you to a blank form which you can fill in. You can include notes, pictures, videos, audio clips and documents, and you can also link it to any other pages to show that they are somehow related. Remember to look at the status too. If you'd like it to be published at a set date in the future, you'll need to change that to schedule and set the created date to when you'd like it to be available to relatives. When you're done, just press save. And then it will appear in your list of activities, as you can see here. Okay, so that's everything. If you have any questions, please do get in touch. You can email us at customer.service@eyfs.info.